Hi, this is Mrs. Hoffman, and I'm here to help you with your taste test visual. So looking at this first slide, you can see it's pretty boring. This, on the other hand, is what I should have done. You can see I've got images, I've got big shapes with words written in nice bold letters. I have different colors of my lettering, but it all says the same information. We want more people to come to your booth so that you get better results for your taste test. And if you have a visual that looks like this, I'm guessing a whole lot of people aren't going to be coming to your booth. So we want your visuals to look a lot better. That's what I'm here to help with. So let's go through some steps to help you. The first thing you can do is you can change the shape or the border of your poster. So rather than doing a rectangular piece, you could cut out a neat shape. You could also add a border of some different lines or shapes. You could have pieces of construction paper hanging off of your poster to attract attention. Next, you could change your lettering. Make things bold, write in bubble letters, or even make them different colors. Just make sure that it is readable from far away. So don't be writing in red Sharpie on orange paper. Next, this is the most fun. Add on those fun 3D objects, those images, arrows to attract people's attention. You could have flaps that people could open and close to look at information, or have images that actually pop out.
I'm going to start by telling you what not to do with your taste test posters. So I've written out Starburst jelly beans all in the exact same color, and I've written them all in stick letters. I've then drew on some Starbursts, and I'm just going to shade them in now. This is what not to do. What you would like to do is something with a little more visual interest. I started by cutting the shape of my poster in sort of these zigzag type diagonals. I also decided to do my lettering in bubble letters. I actually also did this a different color than this. That also shows more interest. My starbursts are actually popping out at you just by using some folded paper. That makes so much more interest in your visual. So how do you fold those? If you just take a piece of paper and you're just going to fold it like an accordion. So we're going to start with that side, and then you go back in this direction, and then you're just going to go back in this direction, and then you come back this way. So this will show you how to make that accordion, and then you're just going to take a little glue stick and glue stick that on to the piece of paper that you want, and now this can be popping out on your image. You always want to start with a plan. So sketch out your poster shape, and then think about how you want your edges to look, or if you want to have a border, and then plan out your letters. Make sure they actually fit. If you're going to do bubble letters, make sure that you know how to draw them. Think about how you're going to have things inserted in. Either they're popping out with paper or they're going to be written on. If you mess up on your final, you can always take a sheet of colored paper and just go over that and then rewrite your words. So it is good to have a plan, but if you mess up on your final, you can always take construction paper and go over it. If you're wondering how to make bubble letters, let me show you. This is the easiest way that I've always learned to do this. You first start by writing your letter just like you normally would. Okay, whatever letter it might be, you're writing it just like in stick letters. Then you go around it. So I'm just going to go around this whole letter, and if there's an inside, you have to go around that. And then you will erase your original stick letter. So you do want to draw lightly so you don't get left with those eraser marks. So just like doing the R, same thing, you're just going to go around it. And then if there's an inside part, and then you would erase your original stick letter. This works with any letter of the alphabet, and it's a great way to draw bubble letters.